Hi guys! Beijing and Shanghai budget reveal tayo! Para mas hassle-free and convenient ang trip namin going to China since this is our first time that we will visit Beijing and Shanghai, plus may kasama kaming kid and I am preggy, we availed the package tour from Gladex Travel and Tours for the first time. And disclaimer lang, this is not sponsored. So ito yung mga inclusions sa package na in-avail namin sa Gladex. First, two-way flight ticket via Philippine Airlines for 3 packs. That's Manila to Beijing, then Shanghai to Manila. Next, kasama na rin yung hotel accommodation. 5 days sa Beijing and 5 days din sa Shanghai. And includes hotel breakfast na din. Ang pinaka-favorite ko during our tour in China is meron kaming private car at meron din kaming private tour guide that can speak fluent English. Plus, kasama na rin ang tickets namin sa Universal Studios at Shanghai Disneyland. Included na din yung bullet train ride for 3 from Beijing, China going to Shanghai. Plus, meron pa kaming 6 meals during our tour. So, in short guys, may mga days na hindi namin kailangan mag-provide or bumili ng food dahil kasama na talaga yung food namin sa tour package. And I will show sa screen kung ano yung full itinerary namin. And as you can see, ang dami talaga naming napuntahan for the whole duration of our trip and we only allot 2 days of free time. So, ang charge ng Gladex for our whole tour for one adult is 75,652. Tapos, for Riley naman, 63,500 pesos. So, ang total niyan is 214,804. But, nag-add kami ng 1-day tour last minute, that's 2,000 RMB. And of course, hindi pa kasama dito yung trip sa driver and tour guide, plus yung mga own expense shopping namin and other food na kinain namin, plus yung mga other expenses like pasalubong at shopping na ginawa namin in China. Generally, para sa amin, sobrang sulit nung nag-avail kami ng tour package. Why? Dahil super convenient ng aming buhay dahil sasakay ka lang sa car, iikot, pupuntahan yung mga napili naming places. Best part is hawak namin yung oras namin. Our driver and private tour guide is very friendly and accommodating sa lahat ng needs namin. We didn't experience any hassle or aberya during our trip. Talagang it was smooth travel for us despite the challenge na meron kaming kasamang bata and I am currently pregnant. Talagang everything really went well. So on our next travels, we are considering again to book on Gladex kasi maayos silang ka-transaction at di scammer kagaya ng Fulham. And yes, na-scam kami. But next story to tell na yan. So para sa mga may plan na mag-Beijing and Shanghai, I highly recommend na mag-avail din kayo ng travel and tours for smooth and hassle-free travel. Ayun lang po. I hope this helps. Thank you for watching. Woo!